In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube app. So generally, if you normally have your videos playing each and every time you are on YouTube, like you can see, I'm scrolling and this video is automatically playing. So I don't want this autoplay feature. If that's your case, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to disable or to stop YouTube autoplay, just open your YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon below here. From your profile icon, go to settings, and from settings look for general. Under general, look for this option called playback in feeds. Here you're told choose where the video plays as you browse. So tap on this and you can see currently it is set to always on. That's why I have video autoplays on my YouTube app. To turn this off, choose off. And as you can see, the change has been saved and now this is the current status. It is turned off. This means if I go back now to my YouTube account and scroll through, now you no longer see videos autoplaying as they used to. Look at that. Now everything is sorted and now I'll always have to open a video for it to play. So that's how you can turn off video autoplay on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.